Have you noticed that your legs feel weaker at the end of the day? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder, getting up from a chair takes more effort, or your legs simply feel heavy before bedtime. Many people assume this is just a normal part of aging. But what if your evening meal, or even a simple bedtime snack, could help support stronger muscles overnight? Today we're talking about one affordable food that many seniors overlook, yet it's packed with nutrients that help maintain muscle strength, support healthy circulation, and keep your legs feeling more energized. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or trendy protein powders to support healthier muscles. Some of the best foods for aging muscles are simple, affordable, and available at almost any grocery store. In today's video, I'll share 5 powerful plant-based foods that can help support stronger muscles, healthier circulation, and better mobility after 60. These foods are rich in protein, magnesium, iron, calcium, and other nutrients your legs rely on every single day. Let's get started. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses that can make a big difference for aging muscles. One of the biggest reasons they're so beneficial is their high magnesium content. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. If your body doesn't get enough of it, your muscles may feel tight, tired, or more prone to cramps, especially at night. Pumpkin seeds also provide plant protein, which your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue. While they won't build muscle overnight, regularly including protein-rich foods in your diet helps slow the natural muscle loss that occurs with aging. Number 2. Black beans. Black beans may look ordinary, but they're one of the most complete plant foods you can eat for healthy aging. The first reason is protein. Protein becomes even more important after the age of 60 because our bodies become less efficient at maintaining muscle. Eating enough protein throughout the day helps provide the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Black beans also contain iron. Iron helps your body produce healthy red blood cells which carry oxygen to your muscles. Better oxygen delivery supports energy production and may help reduce feelings of fatigue during daily activities. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach has earned its reputation as a healthy food for good reason. It's packed with nutrients that work together to support your muscles and overall mobility. One of its standout nutrients is magnesium, which we've already talked about. But spinach also provides iron and vitamin K, both of which play important roles in maintaining healthy muscles and bones. Perhaps even more interesting, spinach naturally contains dietary nitrates. Inside your body, these nitrates can be converted into nitric oxide, a compound that helps your blood vessels relax. Number 4. Tofu. If you're looking for a food that's gentle on digestion, easy to prepare, and packed with muscle-supporting nutrients, tofu deserves a place on your dinner plate. Unlike many plant foods, tofu contains a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and maintain muscle tissue. That's especially important after the age of 60, when preserving muscle becomes just as important as building it. Tofu is also naturally rich in calcium, particularly when it's made with calcium sulfate. Calcium isn't only important for strong bones, it also helps your muscles contract properly every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs. Number 5. Chia seeds. Don't underestimate these tiny black seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but they're loaded with nutrients that make them one of the best foods for seniors. First, they're an excellent source of fiber. Fiber helps keep blood sugar levels steady, supporting consistent energy instead of sudden crashes that can leave you feeling tired or sluggish. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles relax after a long day and supports normal muscle function. Another impressive benefit is their calcium content. Many people think only dairy products provide calcium, but chia seeds offer a surprisingly good amount, helping support both healthy bones and proper muscle movement. It's a light, nutritious bedtime snack that's easy on the stomach and fits well into a healthy evening routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, science-backed senior health tips every week.